For the ingredient suppliers, we have three main values. First, we can score the market insight for the ingredient. What's rising, what's fading, and where is the real business demand is. And secondly, we can help you to have a better understanding of the brand client to check like what's their need, their pain point, and where we can find new business opportunities. And third one, we can help you to create a proposal more target and to increase your success rate to win more customers. So this is two of our platform, the Global New Product Insight and the Global Market Insight. The first one, the GMPI, is mainly focused on the new product launch globally, so we can stay on the head of the latest trend to see like what's the latest ingredient, what's the latest formulation and the technology. And it also help us to know that what is the latest trend, and we want to make something different and new, you can use this platform. And also the GMI is more focused on the market side, so we can check what is trending right now. And also we can check that what ingredient is already all over the market and which ones still have room for us to innovation. So with both GMPI and GMI, you are not working by a random idea. You are working with a smart and a data-driven decision. So first, how to analyze and forecast the ingredient trend. Let's move to our platform. So this is our GMI. So first we can take a look at overall performance here. We can check the sales performance of each category and also how many market share they host. And we can also check the growth rate of each category to see which category has the most opportunity for you. And also taking skincare as an example, we can deep dive into it. So we can analyze them from different dimensions. First is the market side. We can check how many they sell. And for example, I select like 1 year data. We can see the sales performance and the trend, and also where this product from, and also the skincare category. How about the performance compared with skincare and the other category? And also we can check like who are the key players in the category? Who are the top 10 brands in this category and how they performing in the market? Like this. And also how about the price range? And here we will directly show you the brand list here. Totally we have 10,000 brands here, and you can deep dive into their brand detail or the product list to know more. And also we can check like what's the most commonly used ingredient here. And we can check the sales performance here, and also check the growth rate here. So we can check which ingredient sells the best and which one is trending right now. And you can directly search your ingredient name here to check the performance in the market. And also the efficacy is the same. We can use this part to check the sales performance and the growth rate to see like what efficacy are most popular in the market, what kind of efficacy that the customers would like to purchase the most. And now we know the market trend and we know which category have the most opportunity. We can take a look at the ingredient trend. Here, we can see what ingredient sells the best. Here we can see how the finished products that use this ingredient are performing in the market. Yeah, so here is the most popular ingredient, and also we can check the growth rate here to check which one is trending right now. Yeah, like this. And for example, I select the skincare, and also we can deep dive into each subcategory. It depends on you to check more detail. And also we can check like the competition to see like what ingredient that have the same efficacy with you, how they performing in the market, and to refine our strategy accordingly. So taking this example, we can check more about this ingredient. So first one, how about the sales trend? What's the application of this ingredient? Yeah, so like this. How about the sales trend in each category and the trend? And also we can check who are the top users of this ingredient. and where they're from, and also the price range. Yeah, what price range sells the best and holds most market share. And also we can check the product list here to clicking to check more about their formulation and the unique selling points, the claims, the efficacies, and so on. And this gives us a view of how our ingredient being applied in the market. And after we know what's the currently market trend, we can take a look ahead to see what will be the emerging trend. Here, let's move on to our GMPI. This is about the new product trend. So here we have a page that the trend insights. Here we have lots of the reports that is generated by our analyst team with different topics. So for example, the PDRN, which is famous right now and will be mentioned by our report. So it will tell you that what's the latest trend in the market and also what brand is involved and what category and what ingredient that use this trend. And here will come the detail here. Yeah, like this. And also in the bottom, you can directly see what products is related to this trend or mentioned. Then we can click in to check more. Like this. Yeah. And also we have unique features that the upcoming products. So we can check this is our database, and this is the time that the product will be launched. So it's November, October, and September, and we got all of this upcoming data in our database. So we know that what will happen next. So for example, I search like PDRN to see what's the related product. And also we can take a look at the brand, the big brand, because we know that the big brand will do lots of the investment before they launch a new product. So sometimes they will lead the trend. We can focus on their new product to see like what will be the next trend. So here we can see what product is related to the PDRN and to clicking to see more. So there is the basic information of the products and also what's the unique selling points, the concept, the efficacy, the ingredient, the technology, and what's the marketing claim. And also here we have the product power analysis. What's the product philosophy, the key benefit, and we have our analyst insight here to let you know more about this innovation product. And also we can check the ingredient list. It's very detailed, right? And also, if we think this product is valuable, we can quickly compare them like this. Okay. So that we can quickly compare this product from different dimensions like this. So that we can quickly see that what's the advantages and what's the unique innovation of these products. Yeah, like this. And also we support you to export the data. So it gives us a forward-looking guidance before 3 to 4 months because we know what will happen in the future. And also it helps us to stay ahead in the market. So after knowing the trend, the most important thing for us is to sell more ingredients. So how to analyze the brand's need and identify the business opportunity is so important. So first, we need to know that who is our client. So as I mentioned, we can directly search it in the category insights. You can search your target category and to check the brand analysis, and there will directly come out a brand list here. And also we can use our brand insight page. We can search a name or search by the category, by the sales range or the revenue range. And also we can use this page to find some potential customers. For example, let me select like the 100 page to see like what brands that grows rapidly. For example, I select Q2 in 2025. So we can check that like what brand that grows rapidly but still in a relatively small scale, that may be a good opportunity for us to connect them in advance. Yeah. And after we know who is our target client, we can also to add them to our watch list here. So we can have a long time monitoring because we update our data every day. So every day you will see something different. You can see what changes, how about the sales performance, yeah, like this. And we can use this page to operating our client more efficiently and make a more tailored solution for them. For example, the L'Oreal, we can break their business structure. Yeah, so first is the sales overview, the sales performance, and still like 1 year data. You can choose the time range by yourself. Yeah, the trend, the performance in each category in each month. And also we can check what category they are strong in. So first is makeup, then hair care. And we can click more detail here. And also we can check their price to see like what price range they sell the best. Sometimes it determines that what kind of ingredient that we should offer to them. And after this, we can check the product list here to check like what efficacy and what formulation they prefer and how about the consumer's feedback. So for example, this product. So the left side, it will show you the basic information of this product, and the left side, and the right side, you can see the product trend, the product image, the historical image, and the currently image, so that we can check like what claim they use, how they communicate with the consumers before and now, what claim they would like to emphasize. And also we can check the influencer video and the comment analysis to see that why customers like it or dislike it. If they don't like it, for example, the 1 star, is that related to an ingredient? Is there anything that our ingredient can help them to improve? So we can provide a competitive solution to them. And also we can check their component list. Yeah, like this. Yeah, and also we can check the brand in our GMPI to see like what is the new product that they will launch, to see their next step, that to know them in better. So after we know our brand client in detail and know their preference, we know their needs, and we to match those needs, that will increase the success rate for us to cooperate with them and to win more customers. So after this, we are now able to provide a solution, a proposal to them about how to use our data to provide a more differentiation proposal and with more less time and to save your time. So here we can use our trend report and the idea page to give you some inspiration, because you know what's the currently market like, you know what will happen in the next, what's the most popular trend right now, and we can check the idea page. So here you will come now with lots of the latest claim in the market about the new products. So if we are focused on ingredient, we can check the ingredient page. Yeah, this page might give you some inspiration. So if you think any of them is interest, then you can click in to check how they use this claim, what category is related to this claim, and what brand is used it in what specific time here, and what ingredient use it, and also what's the related product here. So that this gives us a reference of how our ingredient or our ideas can have a solution to our brand customers. And also here we have AI system, that the one-click proposal. So for example, I want to make a serum which use PRN. then I can directly type my idea in this page, then create. It will take about 3 to 5 minutes, and you will directly generate the product name, the product category, even the image, and also the key selling points and the other details. And also it supports to export it, so you can add more detail and add more presentation to it. Some of our ingredient supplier customers, they told us that they need about 2 weeks to 1 month to prepare a proposal. But after use our system, it's so quick, right? So we can save the time to about 1 week or 2 days. You can directly generate a proposal with the market trend. And also, if you are unsatisfied about the outcome, you can directly add your requirement in the left side. Yeah, so you directly generate the product name and the product category, the slogan and the key selling points, was the cutting edge technology, was the product texture, and the usage scenario, the package, the target audience. Yeah, like this. And the image will take more time. We may need to wait a moment. And then we can directly export it. Yeah, like this. And also, we can save it and go to our AI validation. So this is a serum. Okay, validate now. So we can validate this proposal product from different dimensions to compare our proposal product with the existing products to identify the potential performance and the unique advantages in the market. Let's wait a while. So in that way, that we are not just selling an ingredient, we are providing a solution to our brand customers, which will definitely help us to have more success rate to win the project. Yeah, like this. We can check the validation from different dimensions. What's the strengths, the weakness, the opportunity, the threats. And how about the market share right now? The market trend here. How about the market size, the segment opportunities, and the consumer demands? Yeah, like this. So this is some of our feature of our Plan 4, and there still have lots of the detailed feature that waiting for you to explore. And also today, everyone will have a chance to win the access to our system to explore by yourself.